Hello YouTube, I apologize for the cutout. Like I said, my camera battery is short, but as you can see, the mount down below, I managed to tighten this, although it looks like butterfly pancake is not going anywhere. So I put in right here pieces of rubber, front and back, and it's doing much better. And I've tightened them in place. Normally, like I was trying to say, I don't know if it got on camera or not, but as I was saying, if it got cut off, they recommend if it goes straight and it's not split going along here, to drill straight through with the normal kit. And they recommend to put the bolts and tighten it in on the opposite side. But since I didn't have that luxury, and mine comes in with the two-way, as you can see, I had to improvise. And like I said, I looked around up and down on the internet all over the place to see if they had anything else on the kits. As far as I could tell through eBay and everywhere else on Amazon so far, they didn't. Now, if anyone else ran across anything great, please post it. You know, exaggerate, talk, whatever you want to chat about it. That'd be great. Forgive my speech. I might say a little bit opposite what I mean. You know, dyslexic words and stuff like that and all that. But it doesn't matter. We all have fun what we say. Anyways, take care, YouTube, and I hope you enjoy what you watch as I'm mounting this and eventually put more and add more to this bike. I do apologize for scraping her up and trying to have a little bit of fun with her. I'm going to attach the hose line and finish her up, and that portion I don't think you need to see because it's nothing really special. You guys have already known about that stuff. You can just look it up on YouTube and see about that. Anyways, take care, YouTube, and bye.